Hello and welcome to another episode of Autodesk Sim TV. My name is John Twardock and I'm a Senior Product Line Manager here at Autodesk for our digital simulation products. And today I'm going to talk to you about Autodesk Sim 360 Pro, which is a new cloud-based offering for our digital simulation technology. So what's different about Autodesk Simulation? Well, in a word, it's how we support efficient workflows. Our goal is to make certain that simulation works well in your workflow and that we make it easy to integrate it into your process. And that means providing the right tool for you at the right time in your process. So let's look closely at Autodesk Sim 360 Pro. This is a new term-based offering that allows us to provide access to you for a very wide range of simulation solutions. It's a full mechanical solution, a thermal solution, a fluid flow solution, and it also provides some geometry manipulation and import tools for you to work on simulation modeling. So as a mechanical tool, let's take a look at the type of problems it solves. It has linear, static, and dynamic capabilities, mechanical event simulation. You can look at composites, large-scale motion and stress, modal analysis for vibration, impact buckling, and you can also perform both steady-state and transient heat transfer. So the kind of questions that you'd be answering with this product: does my part bend? How much? Will it break? Is it going to wear out? Does it get too hot, too cold? How do I remove the heat? Can we make this under using a less expensive material? And typical applications are listed here: consumer products, transportation, vehicles, government, electronics, and industrial machinery. The fluid flow capability here solves a wide range of problems as well. So this includes both compressible and incompressible fluid flow capability, along with heat transfer. So all three phases, conduction, convection, and radiation, are handled, along with moving parts and both steady state and transient. The type of questions answered by the fluid flow capability are, for example, if I was examining pressure drop through a system, how much pressure would be there? Does my fluid mix effectively? Will the product exceed the maximum design conditions? Have I designed it efficiently and effectively? What's the max temperature that happens inside my design? We also have included a full structural analysis capability, and this is intended for large structures that contain beams or reinforced concrete members. And it has both linear and nonlinear capabilities to model those structures, including some of the code checking that's available for these larger applications. Sim 360 Pro also includes a very robust tool for handling geometry, so it can handle things like importing your geometry from any CAD system. Then it allows you to do a history-free manipulation of the geometry, so you can do things like defeature the model prior to preparing it for simulation. And finally, let's look at the options available for Sim 360 Pro. It's offered in three very flexible options. First option is a metered option. It provides 1,800 cloud credits, and cloud credits are just a unit that you would burn when you're actually submitting for solving. And in this case, 1,800 cloud credits is equivalent to about 120 jobs run in the cloud. The second option is an unlimited solve option, which allows you to basically solve unlimited in the cloud. So there's no limit on the number of jobs that you could do. And then the final option here is Sim 360 Pro with local solve, which is a new option. This allows you to solve either in the cloud using the 1,800 cloud credits that you have, but you can also decide to submit jobs and run them locally on your local machine. So to me, this is the best of both worlds, allowing you to solve either on your desktop machine or to solve in the cloud. That really depends on your workflow, giving you the ultimate in flexibility in how you solve and how you find solutions with Autodesk simulation tools. So I hope you enjoyed looking at Autodesk Sim 360 Pro. I hope you can see that it's a very flexible option for you to solve locally, solve in the cloud. It's a very broad solution with mechanical, CFD, and geometry capability. And really you have to ask yourself what you're doing at your company right now to improve your design process. How are you implementing best practices? And what are you doing to make better decisions early in your process? I think it's time to take a look at Sim 360 Pro and consider that as a tool that could really help you get simulation into your workflow today.